This is the Sunlu 3D printing filament. This is a refill kit. This isn't the full spools like you normally would get when ordering filament. These are actually just refills. So this is a 4-pack matte black PLA. And it comes in this vacuum sealed container with a little bit of a silica gel in it. And it doesn't come with the actual spool all the way around it. It just comes with these neatly wound filament with a cardboard core. And the idea is that you would use one of your old filament spools from Sunlu, and you could just reuse these. So this would pop in right there, and then you could pop this on, and then what you do is you just kind of cut these little straps here. It's much more eco-friendly, which I really like. I mean, these are nice spools. It's a shame to throw them away when you could just simply refill them. So let me go ahead and show you how that actually looks. So on the refill, you have like this little notch here, and it actually fits right here on your replacement spool right there. So all you really got to do is kind of line those up. It just kind of falls right into place, just like that. And then you put the other side on. And then it snaps tight like that. Then once everything is secure, you could go ahead and remove these. They just slide right out. And then we'll take this edge here. Just kind of feed it through the corner there, just so it doesn't get tangled. And then we could just go ahead and remove the rest of these. And now you have a brand new spool of filament. So this comes in a 4-pack, and they're all individually sealed, so you don't have to worry about the moisture kind of getting in. I really like this. I really like to be able to reuse as much material as I can, and reuse these really nice spools that Sunlu makes anyway. Might as well just have the refill.